Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a special form of inventory called tank inventory. These are nothing but the goods stored in tanks. These goods may be raw material, intermediates, or finished goods. The description of inventory as tank inventory indicates the necessity of calculating the quantity on hand from the levels within the tanks. Inventory tank gauging system are used to measure the level of liquid contained inside a tank. There are two types of tank gauging system: point level instrument and continuous level instruments. Growth of chemical and petrochemical industry is expected to fuel the market since it helps measure bulk liquids in the storage tank. Of course, it is not only in chemical industry, it can be used in any industry. Chemical manufacturing requires a complex series of processes such as condensing, cooling, and heating for evaporation and separation. So measuring at each of the point is equally important. Thanks for watching. Bye.